Welcome to cryptography session. Today I am going to explain a transposition techniques and a few problems for solving the transposition techniques method. We already aware that transposition technique is one of the type of stream cipher technique in which the letters which are all available in plain text are rearranged as ciphertext with its changing position. So the rearrangement of original message is also called as a transposition technique. The best example for transposition technique is a rail fence technique. So this technique can be implemented with a key value or without key value. Here I am taking an example of plain text. So the given plain text is meet me after the toga party. So I want to write these letters with zigzag arrangement. So I am writing the odd position value at first row, even position value at second row. So M, E. So if you read it in zigzag order, the answer is meet me after the toga party. So I can able to read the values in a zigzag order. But the encrypted value means after writing odd values at first row, even position values at second row, you arrange the letters in row order. So if I am arranging the letters at row order, the first row letters are ME, MA, TR, HT, GP, RY. And then I am trying to write the second row value consecutively. So after Y, the second row values are available. So those are all ETE, FETE, OAAT. So this is the ciphertext value. If you check the letters available in plain text and the letters available in ciphertext, so the letter counts are equal, but the position of that value only differs. So it is an example for rail fence technique. Here there is no usage of key. So this technique is called as no key rail fence technique mechanism. And we may able to implement a transposition techniques in three ways: keyless, that means without key, with key, or double transposition. So I already give an example for keyless method. Here it is another example. Instead of writing zigzag order, there may be the possibility of giving row value or column value. So the plain text is Happy Onam. Number of rows are 3. So I want to fill these plain text values in row order, which means that first value should be written at first row. Second value letter should be written at second row. Third value, third row. Okay, maximum number of rows are reached. Then the fourth value should be written at first row, second column. So the continuous three letters are PYO. The next letters are NAM. So it is filled here. Now they are giving row value. So we should write the values in row order. So row wise order answer is HPN, AYA, POM. So this is the ciphertext value. Then I want to try to check column value. Suppose if they give the column value as 3, then first 3 values should be filled at first column, second column, third column. So HAP. So maximum column reached. Then you fill the next value at first column of second row. So PYO, NAM. Now the filling is finished. Then you check the notation. It is column. So you read the value at column order. So the first column is HPN, AYA, POM. So this is the ciphertext by using column order. Now you check the row value and column value. So the answers are same. So either you can able to use row order or column order. At any order, the answer should be same. So this is the keyless technique. And the key technique means they will give the position. At that position only we should read the value. and that should be taken as ciphertext. Here the key is given. The key is 4312567. So we should assume that the maximum value is 7. So you can arrange the values. So I just read it in row order. The plain text is attack postponed until 2 a.m. So this is my plain text. So this plain text is written in row order. So I just only check the key value. So the maximum key length is 7. So I want to take the first 7 letters and that should be arranged at first row. So attack P. Then OSTPONE, second row. Then third row. At fourth row, fourth column only filled. The remaining 3 columns are empty, but we should fill it with some bogus letters. It is not necessary to use the same bogus letter. For avoiding confusions, we can able to use the consecutive 3 letters. That means A, B, C, P, Q, R, M, N, O, X, Y, Z. Like that we can able to write it. Then you write that column number, given column key value, which means that we should read one number column at first. So where it is 1 is available, it is at third column. So what is the answer? TTNA. So first you should write it as ciphertext. Then where second is available, it is at fourth column. The values are APTM. Then number 3 is at second column. The answer is TSUO. Like that we write it. So it is a key encryption. If you do the same operation at 2 times, then that transposition is called as double transposition. So after one transposition, I am retrieving this ciphertext. Then I do once again. So you should take first 7 letters and arrange this first 7 letters at first row. So the first 7 letters are TTNWAPT. Then the next 7 values are MTSUOAO. Next 7 letters are DWCIOXK. Then the remaining letters. So you arrange these letters in row order. Then you write the key. Write the values at its corresponding index 1. So the index 1 is occurred at third column. So the values are NSCY. Like that you write the answer. So this is the answer which is retrieved after double transposition. So this is the final answer. So in this way we can able to implement a key fence technique with the key, without key, or double transposition. And another stream cipher technique is called steganography. It is not an encryption algorithm. It is a technique in which a hidden text is attached with an original plain text. So steganography conceals the existence of original message. So example for steganography are character marking, invisible ink, pin punctures, typewriter correction ribbon. In a character marking, selected letters are printed with separate ink or printed with separate height, or typewritten text are overwritten in pencil. So these marks are ordinarily not visible unless the paper is tilted at correct angle. So it is one of the type of steganography. The next technique is invisible ink. That means a number of substances can be used for writing, but leave no visible trace until either a heat or few chemicals are applied to that paper. Pin punctures means a small pin punctures on selected letters are ordinarily not visible unless the paper is folded to in front of the light. Typewriter correction ribbon. It is used between lines of typed with a black ribbon. Then the result of typing with a correction tape are visible only under a strong light. So these are all different types of steganography mechanism. So up to this portion, The entire stream cipher techniques algorithms are completed. I know that it is a better way you may able to understand the algorithm and its implementation by using these videos. So the last topic of Unit 1 will be discussed at next class. Thank you.